ceremony, or AdatMinang, is a deeply symbolic and culturally rich tradition from the Minangkabau people of West Sumatra, Indonesia, known for being one of the few matrilineal societies in the world. Minangkabau culture places significant emphasis on family, tradition, and community in its wedding customs. Rosette. Key features of a Minang wedding ceremony. 1. Matrilineal tradition. In Minangkabau culture, inheritance and family lineage follow the mother's line. The groom traditionally joins the bride's household after marriage, known as matrilineal residence. 2. Pre-wedding rituals. Maresek, an informal visit from the groom's family to the bride's to express interest in marriage. Maminang, the bride's family formally proposes to the groom's family, reflecting the matrilineal norm. Mahanta Siriah, a traditional visit to elders and relatives to seek blessings. 3. Traditional attire. The bride wears the sunjiang, an elaborate and heavy golden headdress symbolizing beauty, strength, and responsibility. The groom wears ceremonial clothing that complements the bride's, often featuring bright colors and gold embroidery. 4. The Maresek, wedding feast, a festive and communal event, typically held in a rumah gadang, traditional Minang house, involves music, dance, like the tari piring or plate dance, and a massive banquet featuring Minang cuisine such as rendang, dendeng, and gulai. 5. Customary speeches and prayers. Adat speeches are given by community elders. Islamic prayers and blessings are incorporated, as the Minangkabau are predominantly Muslim. 6. Symbolism and community role. The ceremony highlights unity, respect for tradition, and the integration of Islamic values with local customs. Community involvement is crucial. Neighbors, relatives, and even distant kin contribute to the success of the event. Electric light bulb. Fun fact. Despite the matrilineal system, the Minang wedding is a balanced celebration of both families, promoting harmony and mutual respect.
Yang kedua insan biru berbahagia Atika dan Nova. Berikan tepuk tangan yang meriah karena gimana suaranya? Tentunya silakan untuk tangannya di depan semua.